Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am teaching you Desi nail art design step by step guide and how to make the Desi nail art design at your home easily. These bright floral Desi nails are great for springtime. Step number 1, start by painting your nails with a green nail polish. Step number 2, using a nail art brush and a white nail polish. Outline a circle on your nail. Draw straight lines radiating out from the circle to make petals. Step number 3, using a nail art brush and a yellow nail polish. Place a cluster of yellow dots in the center of circle. Step number 4, remove all the extra nail polish on your nails with nail remover. Repeat same steps second hand. For example, start by painting your nails with a green nail polish. Step number 2, using a nail art brush and a white nail polish. Outline a circle on your nails. Draw straight lines regarding out from the circle to make the petals. Let's talk about step number 3, using a nail art brush and a yellow nail polish. Place a cluster of yellow dots in the center of circle. Finally, apply a top coat to your nails to seal in the design. The Desi nail art design is ready now. If you want to more design and more nail art design at your home comfort, please comment below. And if you like my video, please do like, subscribe and share my video with your friends and family members and school friends as well. I hope you like my video. I am a nail art expert, experienced 10 years about the industry of beautician and nail art industry. Hope you like this video. Thank you very much.